Hi guys! So today we are going to be making a what I call Bonnie ASMR. Me and my friend we made a TikTok channel like a long time ago, like last year. We made a TikTok like page. We made a TikTok page last year and it was dedicated to Bonnie ASMR, which was just an ASMR like a funny channel. This is Bonnie. This is main character of Bonnie ASMR. We also had Bendy, but I don't know where my Bendy is right now. So let's get into the video. Hi guys! Today we have buldak ramen. Now, if you've been to my channel before, you know normally I film with Bendy and like pure abuse the crap out of him. But we don't have Bendy today because we don't have the voice actor of Bendy. So we're just gonna get on with the video. So, we have the buldak ramen. I'm gonna prop the camera where I don't have to, try to grow a third arm for this crap. Hey guys, today we have Bonnie ASMR. Let's begin. Look at those noodles. Now this is buldak ramen. I added mozzarella cheese into it. You cannot tell, but I did. Now, as we all know, bulldog ramen is supposedly cancer causing. So if I get cancer from this video, I blame you guys. I love you twins. Now, let's try. The texture is weird as hell. I didn't like the texture. It's really gross. It tastes weird. It tastes weird. The flavor is fine, but the texture is really gooey and crap. We also have a monster with our bulldog ramen. Okay, so let's crack that bad boy open. Hold on. I'm actually gonna film just for the ASMR purposes of this video. Nothing like cracking open a fresh monster. Now that's how you do it. That is what you call a fresh monster. I got monster on my freaking tablet. Anyways, I feel like I should let Bendy have a taste. Or Bonnie have a taste for real. Help me. I don't do actual ASMR videos. I just know they beat. No, but tell me why ASMR videos always be doing the tapping and the. Anyways, let's continue. I should get my headphones for real. Okay, so I don't know if this is working, but I have the headphones now, so let's continue. I can hear myself chewing. It caught me off guard because I'm not used to, like, hearing myself chew. But I am gonna admit, I lied to you guys. I do have Bendy in the room with me, but I don't have the voice actor to Bendy. Because normally it'd be really chaotic. Like, these videos would be really chaotic. I would have to pull up the, like, original TikTok. Sorry, I'm on the phone right now, so. Yeah, my friend is, like, so confused. But, I hate the freaking. What did my friend tag me in? Hold up. My friend tagged me in something. I'm not watching these. Shh, don't tell them. Hold on. I think I can find Bonnie ASMR. Hold on. Because if I can find and show you what I'm referencing, then that'd be so much easier than just being like, so, back way when. Okay, here.
Guys, welcome back to Bonnie ASMR. Guess my heart will always be with the dog I tell everyone I hate.
Brother. Okay.
That ain't a dog. That's a chameleon. That ain't even a chameleon. That's a... I don't even know what that is.
But these videos are what I'm referencing, and
My toes are cold.
yeah. So that's what I'm referencing. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm referencing. But we have a new character. It's gonna be this thing because in the original we had baby fugglers. We have one. So we have these two twins. Let's begin. Whoa. So today, guys, I don't really understand what the hype is about these. They're pretty ass. Not gonna lie. They're pretty ass. Yeah, I don't really understand the hype in these because they're pretty ass. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I just don't like this flavor. Because I want to get the black one, like the black bag or cup, but I didn't really I couldn't because they were out of stock. Anyways. Guys, I hope you know, I don't even know if this mic is working. I'm just blindly talking into this mic. I'm gonna take this earbud out so I can hear myself better, so I can make sure I'm not going insane. But I don't really understand the hype. And I know this was meant to be a Bonnie ASMR video, but like I said, it's not really the same without Bendy. So I thought I was gonna be like, oh, Bonnie ASMR makes a comeback, but solo. Because my friend lives 14 hours away. Which is the voice actor of Bendy. So yeah, but we also have some talkies. So let's dig into those for real. Sorry, I have you propped up on the floor. I'm probably gonna get cancer from this video. Either cancer or a heart attack. because my meal choice, this is my first actual meal of the day too, which is a monster bulldog and Takis. Not very nutritious. But yeah. Okay, guys. That's gonna be. Well, actually, we should probably finish this cup of bulldog ramen. That's not actually his voice, but yeah. Oh my gosh. So, the guy I was talking about in my last two videos, he tried texting me again today, but I didn't really answer him because I didn't give a fuck. But like, why these bitches try? Why you so obsessed with me, girl? I wanna know. Anyways, you. Um, but I like hate how he keeps like texting me and stuff, and how he's just like acting as if everything's normal. Yay! Who texted me, bro? I was about to say, I swear to God, if this is him texting me, I'm cooked. But no, if someone's sending me a friend request. Sorry, that was my sister. She was asking me about my nails. My nails? They're SpongeBob. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Sorry, that's very. I would say, oh, that's so embarrassing. I'm literally sitting in my room alone talking to myself. I don't think it can get any more embarrassing than that. Also, I've been like promoting my channel to my TikTok since yesterday, last night. So most of these people are either the followers I already had from my gotcha age or my moods who followed me to like support my channel and stuff. So, thank you people. Thank you to the people who came from my TikTok and followed me, and thank you to the people who are still here from my OG era. I don't think I'll ever escape my gotcha era. Swear. Because genuinely, my gotcha era was like so freaking long. Because it was so long. It like went from, which I've been watching gotcha since 2018, but I started making it in like 2021, 2022. And genuinely, sorry, I like heard my friend pouring water or something in their thing and it like threw me off. But like I still make gotcha every once in a while. So I haven't really exited that era, but I don't really make it as much as I did. If that makes sense. Bulldog really is overrated. I say as at first the texture, I didn't like the texture, but now it's like it's alright. Now it tastes pretty good. It also looks really good. Also, it's not a filter that's on. It's just this camera is really freaking bright. Um um I need to take out my trash. Like there's a bunch of trash. I don't really know what to do. I guess for the sake of it, just anyways, bye-bye Bendy. Um but yeah, my life has been so crazy. I feel like I have enough memories. I have probably enough memories to last me until I'm 22, and then I gotta make new ones. But I've done so much already in my life, but my life doesn't feel complete, you know? Like, I just want to travel the world and do stuff. Um, but I'm filling out my bucket list by being a YouTube creator, so I'm probably gonna do more creating over the weekend and over school breaks. But during school days, I'm not gonna do much because I can't do much because I can't record while I'm in school. That's actually a rule. You can't record while you're in school because it's I can't remember what they said it was, but it's like it's an invasion on something. I think it's an invasion on like school privacy and stuff because I can't post kids on my school. But I want to try bringing probably this camera. Well, no, probably not. This camera's ass. I'm gonna bring one of my cameras to my school and like film. Oh, what it's like to be in school with these people. Which I need to get one of those cameras that like content creators use, like the little ones that clip onto your shirt, so you can film and while walking and stuff. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about because I'm like genuinely insane, but I need to get one of those because then it'd be so cool if I like recorded while I'm in school, like day in a life as a middle schooler. Oh yeah. I've like saw this mirror on my wall. Anyways, but that'd just be so cool. Comment down below if I should do that. Anyways, bye guys. That concludes today's video. Also, this video is probably not going to be posted until later because the video I filmed at like 4 o'clock in the morning is posting right now as we speak. So this won't be posted until later, probably later in the day or night. So, bye.